Happy Friday, world. Happy Friday. Coming back with you again with another video. April 21st, 2023. Coming back with you again about 24K, 25K madness, 3-level progressive payout, leveraging, enabling wealth creation. As you can see here, you can earn residual $25 over and over again. While you see this flyer here, I just decided to make this video about 25K madness. I've been with 25K madness for a while. You guys know about WTM Publishing. He's been around a long time. He has been around for a long time. WTK Madness, 25K Madness has been around for a long, very long time. Very reasonable postcard business that you can join. It won't cost you a whole lot of money. It won't cost you a whole lot. So there's really nothing to talk about, nothing to say. Just want to decide to make a video about 25K madness, 3-level progressive payout, very simple, lucrative to join. That's why I'm putting this flyer up, postcard. When I'm done with this video, I will put all the necessary flyer, Google Flyer drive to be able to print this out, and you're able to follow the instructions and send your flyers out with your payments to WTM Publishing, and the owner would disperse all the funds to the necessary level 1, level 2, and level 3 payout to those people. It's very easy, cheap to join. It's only $25. Start you $25 to get you started, or $25 on each sale. Like I said, I've been with them for a long time, so I'm looking for people like me to able to come aboard this type of postcard business. If you don't want to join Live Good, if you don't want to join Best Easy Work or Cash Builder System and Lead List, List Infinity, we all can afford $25 on each sale to start promoting like me. All you need for this postcard business is leads and stamp. I've put it in my video a long time ago. All you need to grow your business from home is leads and stamps. We have to pay. There's no running from that. Ain't nothing free. We have to come out of pocket to see your results and see your returns. We have to pay. That's business. Everybody that work corporate business, corporate job, the company, before they convert their company into a corporate business, they have to go through the necessary steps to build the business, like build a LLC, build a business platform portfolio to present to the bank, to able to gain access to capital, to able to hire people to their business. That is business. Working from home is the same thing, but you just a one person, one CEO working from home. You only one CEO working from home. The corporation is doing the same thing too, to gain capital, to grow their assets, their customer base, leads, stamps, marketing, and so forth and so on, to build a business. We cannot run for not paying nothing. We cannot be cheap, thinking everything is free. Ain't nothing free. Going to work every day is not free. You have to get up every day and go to work, and you know good and well you're tired, but you got to make that money to keep a roof over your head and buy the necessary stuff for your family and for yourself, to make sure to do the same thing over and over again, to see another birthday, to see another day, to be happy that you have a place to call home. It costs to be the boss. It costs to be who we are today. Nothing is not free. Music is not free. Buying cars is not free. Buying food is not free. Buying shoes is not free. Yes, all the people that still work in the corporate sites, corporate businesses, they had to build a portfolio business plan to able to get the necessary capital to put a what they call it, put an ad out there that's saying that we are hiring for secretary, we are hiring for marketers, we are hiring for janitorial service, we are hiring for cleanup crew, we are hiring for maintenance person. They need capital to pay the employees. The employees ain't gonna get up every day and work for free. Y'all know that. None of the business owners out there, you guys know that. You guys ain't working for no free. You know you got obligations to pay your bills. You have obligations to pay your bills. So working from home, you your own boss by yourself, is the same concept working for your 9-to-5 job every day. They need capital to pay your employees. They need capital to get insurance, medical insurance to your employees. You need capital. You guys know that. Non-business owner out there saying, I don't want to work from home. I don't want to do this. You already working anyway. You working for somebody else. Yes, you're working for somebody else that they just want to, sometimes they want to fire people. They don't want to pay too much money out no more because they losing money fast. They're not seeing their return. The numbers is low on the corporation side. They're not gaining more customers to bring more money into the company. They're not getting more, no more marketing. Something's going on. So that's why everybody is working from home now. It feels good working from home to talk to the world. Let y'all know it's real out here. It's not easy out here. Everybody's struggling like everybody else. They looking for the same dollar bills. They're looking for something to make them happy, to keep their head above water. Everybody's struggling. I'm not the only one struggling. Everybody in the world is struggling. They barely working. Stores are shutting down. Walmart is shutting down. Restaurants are shutting down. What did I tell you? It's time to find something you love to do, not what you like to do. That's the big question. You need to find something you love to do, not what you like to do. It takes work in everything we do. It's take dedication for who we are. Dedication, a willing student, you can be anything you want to be if you put those components together. Be the best you can be. Work hard and play later. Work hard, spend money. Work hard, have fun with your life. We only got one life to live. One life to live. Don't waste your life over stressing out, saying, I don't have this, I can't do this, I don't know what to do. Please, somebody help me. Donation. No, ain't nothing, no donation. Everybody's struggling like everybody else. You have to put in work. The subject line is today is be the best you can be and love what you like to do, not what you want to do. Love what you like to do in your own world, in your own life. Everybody got individual life. Everybody, we different. We think differently. We do things differently in life. So enough of that speech. Yes, 3-level progressive payout. 25K matters. Easy to implement. Like you read here, like you see here. Owner, WTN Publishing. That's the owner of this opportunity. If you see this flyer on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, please download the flyer and send in your flyer and your payments in, and you'll get your kit in the mail. That's simple, painless, it's cheap to get started. It won't hurt the pocket. We all got $25. We all got $50. We all got $100. I don't know what everybody's scared of, not to work from home or create a business that they love to do, not what they like to do. Some people don't like their job no more. The job industry is not the same no more. I'll be honest with you. The job industry ain't the same no more. So if you see this flyer on the social media platform, please download the flyer. It's going to be in a PDF form, a Google Drive flyer. Download it, print it out, and send in your necessary paperwork. And I'll come back with you again with another video. Today is April 21st, 2023. I will come back with you again with another video tomorrow or the next day. I don't know how I'm feeling. You know, I'm just constantly, my mind just wandering to make more videos to stay consistent. So that's what we need to do. We need to stay consistent and be the best we can be and love yourself and know who you are. Come back with you again with another video. Thank you.